To address the 106 error issue on an LG Smart TV, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The 106 error code indicates a problem with the TV's network connection. Several factors can contribute to this issue, including an unstable internet connection, outdated TV firmware, or an incorrect date and time setting. To resolve the problem, start by power cycling the TV and Wi-Fi router. This can be done by pressing the reset button on the router and waiting for all the lights to glow. Then checking if the connection is restored. If the router doesn't have a reset button, simply turn it off, unplug it, and also switch off the TV and unplug it. Keep both devices turned off for 60 seconds before plugging them back in and checking the connectivity. Another solution is to update the TV's firmware by navigating to the settings, selecting All Settings, then General, and choosing Check for Updates to download and install the latest version. After the update is complete, turn off the TV for 10 seconds and enable Auto Update. Additionally, ensure the date and time are set correctly by accessing the settings, selecting General Settings, and choosing the correct date and time. By following these steps, the 106 error code issue should be resolved, restoring the TV's network connection.